All right. In today's video, I dug in the vault and I went all the way back to 2004. 2004. In fact, I think I'm actually wearing this shirt. You'll see this shirt and all that hair. All that hair, yes. And it's interesting seeing myself work back then. Like I definitely had like the energy and the silliness, but I was a little bit more dirty than I work now. And the way this came about was I put out a DVD called Bootleg. And so I open up the DVD with the character. So you'll see a character, you'll see me get silly, you'll see me get a little dirty, and you'll see a good time. If you saw me back in the day, that was Darren Carter, 2004. All right, let's get into the video.
Hey guys, have they been picking on you a lot? Because you guys' body language is, don't fuck with us. I don't know, have they? Because I don't want to be like that. Are you guys okay? Y'all, you're a family and you're here. And do you live around here? Where do you guys live? Where do you live? West. Is that the black sheep of your family? Gilbert! They never let me sit with them! They never let me sit with them! I'm sorry, where do you live? West Hollywood, that's awesome. That's West Hollywood's a trip, dude. Very progressive. Hey! I love it, man. You got the lesbians, the gays coming out. Hey! I was at the store in West Hollywood. I was going to try to buy a chess set, just a regular chess set. They had a gay chess set, dude. It was a trip, dude. The pawns were acting like queens. The checkerboard was rainbow. Each side had an openly gay bishop. And the pieces, they were trying to marry each other, but the king wouldn't let them because it was election year. So they went to Massachusetts. I lost you on that one, huh? The cholo, hey, stupid, what are you talking about? Fucking. No, Rooster! Rooster, you're getting stupid, Rooster. What's up, Rooster? I don't play chess, Rooster. Híjole, talk about checkers, fucker, checkers. Do it, go for it, Rooster. Go for it. Don't say chess, say checkers. All right, there's these gay checkers. And they had the same color, and they were trying to jump the same color. Hey, crown me, hey. Hey, Rooster, let's play handball. You be the wall, fucker, you be the wall. Hey, Rooster. You heard me whistling, fucker. Whistling is good. If you don't have a car alarm, you can always whistle. You shut the door, turn around and go. Later. The only bad part is if you walk back and they're breaking your car, it's like, oh shit, there they are.
Wow. Did you see all that hair I had? I can't believe I used to go to the shows with the windows up. I was like, don't roll the windows down. It'll mess up my hair. And when I was really young, like 20, 21, 22, and I'd go to shows, I would like gel it and hairspray it so it'd be like sticking up and it'd be actually touching the ceiling of the car. Those were the days. Oh. Anyways, if you're new here to the channel, please subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell. It'll keep you in the loop when I have future uploads. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know you care.